Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. Today I will discuss lesson number 13. The name of the chapter City and Village. City and Village. Okay, this one already we have discussed in the live class. So again I will repeat. The learn about a city and a village means this story about two rats. Okay, village rats and city rats. Okay, village and city rats. The name of the rats Chumpy and Dumpy. Two rats Chumpy and Dumpy. Once two rats Chumpy and Dumpy were traveling by bus. Okay, Chumpy wore kurta pajama. Chumpy village rats. Chumpy wore kurta and pajama. Dumpy wore jeans, shirt and coat. They both were sitting at the same seat, okay, inside the bus. Then both are talking about two friends, not two friends like traveling by bus, that's why both are talking. Okay. Oh, it is so hot here, sighed Chumpy, wiping the sweat off his forehead. I hate traveling to city for work, he continued. And continued telling. Who? Chumpy. Too much hot day, sweat off his forehead. Then Dumpy heard. Heard means listen, everything listen and said, you look like you are from village. Then yes, I am from village, replied Chumpy. Replied means answered. Chumpy answered, yes, I am from village. Dumpy said proudly. Okay, Dumpy said proudly, you village boy, you must have never enjoyed city life. That is why you look so troubled. Troubled means difficulty. Any problem? Ah, there is nothing to enjoy in city. It is all hustle bustle. Hustle bustle means a noisy surroundings. Means city area, too much noise area, gathering. That's why hustle bustle means noise, noisy surrounding. Okay, hustle bustle means noisy surrounding. Said a robust voice. Said a robust voice. It is so peaceful, exclaimed Chumpy calmly. Chumpy said, village is in village it is so peaceful. Village is peaceful area. Chumpy calmly, okay, exclaimed Chumpy calmly means quietly, Chumpy said. Then next page, page number 62. Okay, look at the picture, left side and right side, both side village area and city areas is there. In my village there are large green fields, added Chumpy. Chumpy said, in my village there are large green fields. Look at the picture. Everybody knows the village areas, green fields, green land, different type of trees, mango trees, banyan trees also there, and green land, whole side only green and grass, green grass, green tree, green plants. Okay, so village is large green fields, added Chumpy. Then Dumpy said, Dumpy all grumpy by now said, my city there are large roads and huge buildings. There are large roads and huge buildings. Huge buildings means big buildings, flat, 10 floor, 20 floor, 30 floors is there. So this one flat, huge buildings, large roads, big roads. Okay, then again Chumpy squawked, cow, cow, squawked. Okay, we have large herds of cattle. Cattle means a group of cow, yak, bison, like this. A group of animals, cattle. Look at the picture. So Champy squawked, we have large herds of cattle. So cattle means group of animals, like group of yak, group of cow, group of bison, like this. Then Dumpy said again, we have large number of cars, bikes and buses, mocked Dumpy. Both are talking about village and city. Means difference between about village and city. Then both are argument also cruel, like this. We have large number of cars, bikes and buses, mocked Dumpy. Means village area not have large number of cars. Okay. Bus have, bikes have, rickshaw have, auto, toto, like this, but not have large number of cars, buses, like this. So in city area have large number of cars, buses, trams, bikes, etc. Metro rails also there. So like this. The next picture, both sides are cooking. We use earthen stove to cook delicious food, uttered Champy hotly. Okay, means in village area everybody use earthen stove. Earthen stove made by mud and brick, like this. Okay, so our mother also prepared food, means cooking food, this type of stove means earthen stove. Okay, hotly means proudly. Hotly means proudly. Okay, then proudly Champy said, we use earthen stove. We use earthen stove in village area. Then Dumpy said, to which Dumpy giggled. Ha ha ha. Giggled means laugh. Giggled means laugh. And said, we can cook really yummy and pretty quick on gas stove. Means those were live in city, those were use gas stove quickly and pretty nice. Pretty means nice and quickly prepared food. So that's why Dumpy giggled. Okay, so both are talking about village and what? Village and city. Continue talking, then argument is coming cruel. Though both are continue talking about village and city. Then next page, page number 63. The bus driver hit the brake suddenly. The bus driver hit the brake suddenly. Hit the brake suddenly means, hit means strike. Okay, both Champy and Dumpy felt the jerk along with other passenger. Fell down. Okay, then they raised their heads and looked ahead curiously. Curiously means eager to know. The bus driver hit the brake suddenly. Both Champy and Dumpy felt the jerk along with other passengers. They raised their heads and looked ahead curiously. Before they could know what happened, the bus started to move again. Before they could know what happened, the bus started to move again. Dumpy wanted to show off more about how good city life was. Then Dumpy turned to Champy. Look at the picture. Cinema hall, shopping mall is there, and another side fair, means in village area. So Dumpy turned to Champy and asked, have you ever been to a shopping mall? Dumpy asked to Champy. A village has no place to have fun like that. Dumpy asked to Champy. Okay, then Champy also smiled and replied, oh, have not you heard about fair in village? Fairs are held that have rides, shops, sweets, and lots of fun. Means in fair, very good. In village, fairs are held that have rides. Okay, merry-go-round is there. Shops, sweet shops, toy shops, different type of shops are there. Then joker, clown, lots of fun also there in fairs. This way, through whole journey, Chumpy and Dumpy kept arguing. Arguing means quarrel. Arguing means quarrel. There was a tough competition going on between the city and the village. There was a tough competition, hard. There tough means hard competition between city and the village. After reading this interesting story, can you tell if a city is better or village is better? It is really difficult to tell which one better, village or city. But now you know so much about city and village. Okay? So this story about city and village. Main point, this story about city and village. Both side means city and village with difference between about city and village. Which one better, village or city? This one really difficult to tell which one better. Both are better position. Okay. So everybody try to read the chapter. So next day again I will continue. Thank you. Bye bye.